Hello everyone, it's Natasha here. I am a content creator dedicated to helping you achieve your dream life by realistic means, whether that be in improving the aesthetics of your home, bettering your health and fitness, improving your financial situation, or helping you in pursuing content creation yourself. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make the easiest style of curtain to sew on your own rod pocket curtains. These are the curtains I made for my last video, $200 kitchen makeover and reveal. If you want to see the full reveal of the kitchen that I made these curtains for, you can find that video in the description box down below. But for now, let's get to how you can make some simple rod pocket curtains. You will need the following materials to create your rod pocket curtains: your fabric of choice, a pair of shears or cloth cutting scissors, some seamstress pins which are optional, a measuring tape, a pencil or washable marker, thread to match your fabric, and an iron or hair straightener. To determine the size to cut your fabric, measure out the length and width of the window you want to cover, and add 4 inches to the width and 12 inches to the height to account for the hems. Once your fabric is the size you need it to be, the next step is to hem the 2 sides of the curtain. To do this, fold the edge over 1 inch and iron it flat. You then fold the edge over 1 inch a second time and iron it flat again. After ironing your fabric into place, you may now sew down the length of the curtain, about 3/4 of an inch from the edge of the fabric. Be sure to backstitch at the beginning and end in order to prevent any of your work from unraveling. Repeat this exact process of folding, ironing, and sewing for the opposite side of your fabric as well. The top hem forms the rod pocket, which must be sized to easily fit the curtain rod. A general rule of thumb is to create the rod pocket's diameter twice as much as the diameter of the curtain rod. In this example, I am folding the top down a length of 3 inches and ironing it into place. Then I am folding 3 inches once again and ironing again. Now you can sew along the bottom crease of the hem, about 1/4 inch from the edge to form the pocket. Remember to backstitch at the start and end of the pocket in order to reaffirm the stitching. Upon completion, you now have a rod pocket curtain to hang in your window.